Right, every week on my channel at Carl Derbyshire Mortgages, I'm going to be answering common and regular mortgage questions. So here we go, here's today's question. What happens when my fixed deal ends? Which is a great question because if you bought your first house a few years back and now your deal on your mortgage is coming to an end, you're probably thinking, what do I do now then? You might have had a letter from your lender to say that your deal is ending and you're going to end up on the standard variable rate. Chances are that is going to be a higher rate than what you're paying now. So there's a few things we can do to prepare for that. And always speak to your advisor. And if you don't have an advisor, have a look at some Google reviews, ask friends and family for recommendations. If you pop RENSHAW WEALTH into Google, that's who I work for, these guys here. We want to be known for giving a great service and looking after our people right. So if you do have any mortgage questions, feel free to pop me a message. But here's what's going to happen. When your deal ends, yes, you will naturally fall onto what's called the standard variable rate. However, the two options are, number one, you get what's called a remortgage lined up and in place. So that's when you move to another bank. A few reasons to remortgage would be to get a better interest rate if there's one available elsewhere, to borrow more to get some home improvements done or pay off a loan or credit card, or three, to either extend your mortgage term, the overall length, to make it a bit cheaper per month, or if you want to pay more a month, you can reduce the term. So a remortgage is basically getting a new mortgage elsewhere, getting rid of your current one and starting again with new terms. Option one. The second option is if you're not thinking of making any changes to the mortgage amount or how long your mortgage is, and the rates aren't so good elsewhere, you might have an option to secure a new rate with your current lender, so you can get that lined up ready for when your current deal ends. So the month your current deal ends, or the month following that deal, your new deal starts, so you don't end up on that higher variable rate. And as always, if you have any questions, pop me a message. We're happy to discuss your options.